That's the Skyfire Target Drone from the Faction Battle System, specifically for target practice.
You may have played with foam guns, but gel blasters are taking the spotlight. See, I recently got one, and they are way more powerful. They shoot small water beads, which fly further and take up less space.
Let's talk about the Skyfire Target Drone a bit. The design looks really sleek, even though there's this huge protective mesh cage on it. And the mesh is actually really strong. It feels really durable.
And it also has a surface scanner and a pressure sensor to help it maintain position and altitude.
Add challenge to the game, the drone executes different levels of evasive maneuvers to make it harder to hit. The app has single player and two-player game modes. Single player lets you launch the drone with the app by pressing a button, or you can just toss it in the air and the drone will catch itself, while two-player mode lets your friend launch and control the drone with the app manually. And to keep it interesting, if you want to just fly the drone as a regular drone, there's an option for that too. The drone is great at detecting when it gets hit, so once the game ends, it relays the data back to the app so you can see your overall score. Overall, I'd say the Skyfire Target Drone's pretty cool. It tracks your shots and your hits really well, the evasive maneuvers are really hard and unpredictable, and yeah, it gets pushed in the wind a little bit, but this cage is super durable, so it's going to last you a while. I'd rate it a 9 out of 10.